What's up guys, welcome back to a new vlog. It's a new day, it's Sunday. Having small iced coffee because it's hot and because we are going Hamilton today to meet Keshav and Forum, Jay and everyone. So we are on our way. We'll take the GO train and then we'll go Hamilton. So today's vlog is going to be all about Keshav and the visit to Hamilton. Okay, so stay tuned. That's the book I got for Keshav, 40 time. It's like 40 time with Elmo. It's like a fun book that I've got for him. So now we are in the GO train. We'll get down at a station and then probably we'll take a cab and reach Hamilton.
It's kind of like
Guys, थोड़ी ट्रेजेडी हो गई, थोड़ा हिंदी में बात करूँगा. We had to get down at Burlington station, but we thought we had in our mind that we have to get down at Aldershot. So we got down at Aldershot and then we were looking for the transport, how to go, and then we realized, oops, हमको तो Burlington से जाना था. So now we came back into the station and the train was standing right there, but when we just reached at the platform, the doors were closed. So now we are waiting. It's 11:16 at the moment and the next train is at 11:35. So we are waiting for the train and then we'll go back to Burlington and then we'll catch the bus and then we'll reach home. So a little tragedy in this particular situation. We actually left home so that we can reach early, but कुछ ना कुछ हो जाता है. So eventually we won't be reaching early, we'll be reaching 20-25 minutes late, but that's okay. Anyways, कोई टाइम मैच नहीं करना था वहाँ पे पहुँचने के लिए, but just we thought of reaching there early so that थोड़ा और time spend हो पाए, but that's okay. And yes, it's 25 degrees right now and it is hot. It is hot. It's not like the temperature won't go as 35-40 for now, but the feeling of this heat and temperature is similar to 35-40. I'm sure. I'm telling you guys, you should believe it. It's as hot as we had back in India. No kidding. So guys, this is the bus that we are going to take. It's a double-decker bus. This is the first time I will be sitting in this. Let's see how is the experience. That bus goes to Niagara Falls. We are not going it at the moment. So this is the card that I have, the Presto card. We'll tap it. We have reached, guys. I'll show you. Kemcho. So guys, after reaching home, we had food. We met each other and I did not record that because that's something that it spoils the fun. So I did not record anything, but now we have come at the beach. This is the beach. There it is. That's Confederation Beach and I'll show you. Keshav.
Hello.
Hello. How are you? Are you ready? Look at the fan. He's all set for the beach. Wow. Look at this.
Maybe Anis thodu force વધારે છે પાણીનો.
This is good for summer. अचानक ठंडू लागे जो. Look, everyone is enjoying summer. There are people playing basketball over there. This is volleyball. This is iced coffee. Very much needed in this weather. Finally at the beach. Look at the view, guys. And we were wearing our Jordan, so we just removed it. I am without my shoes. It feels so good. Keshu! Keshu! Hi! Hi! Ooh, boat oh my god. Boat It's really cold, guys. Oh my god. Huh? Keshu? Oh, Keshu કેવું લાગે છે? Keshu તો પકડવું છે. Look at the view. Enjoy the view. Look at them speedboating on the jet skis. Oh, look at them, they're swimming inside. Look at him, he's ready to eat. Kiwi. Wow. Dinner with a view, Keshu? Do you like it? Do you like it? Hey. Windy છે એટલે? Oh. Oranges? Orange time? Are you enjoying? Bye.
Bye.
See you next time. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye. We'll see you next time. So guys, as you saw, that was the end of our vlog, and as I said in the last vlog that I will be consistent. This is the proof. This is my consistency. I will be trying to make more such vlogs for you guys. And if you enjoyed this video, if you enjoyed watching Keshav eat, play at the beach, then do not forget to like this video and also share it with your friends so that we can reach the 500 subscribers mark as soon as possible. And yes, I will be coming up with more such vlogs. I will be more consistent for sure. So do not forget to subscribe this channel. Till then, stay home, stay safe, take care, bye bye.